You know that feeling, when you start to notice you've lost a little bit of a step as you get older. Well, it is definitely not just in your head. Deep down, inside every single one of your cells, a critical power source known as NAD+, actually starts to run low.
And that's exactly what we're diving into today. NAD+, that's NAD+, is the molecule that quite literally fuels our cells to generate energy and repair damage. Its decline is a huge part of the aging process, but here's the fascinating part. We can now do something about it.
So here's our game plan. We're going to start with why our NAD+ levels drop off to begin with. Then, we'll take a look inside the cell to see how restoring it actually gets the job done. From there, we'll map out the timeline of what you can really expect, cover how it's delivered for optimal results, and, this is the most important part, why working with a provider is the only way to tap into its true potential.
All right, let's get right to the heart of the matter. As we age, our cells, they start to face what you could call an energy crisis. The factory that produces this key molecule, NAD+, just starts slowing down. The big question is, why does that happen?
You know, it is really hard to overstate just how important this molecule is. NAD+, again, that's NAD+, is a coenzyme that plays a role in over 500, you heard that right, 500 different reactions inside our cells. Honestly, the best way to think of it is as the foundational currency for pretty much all cellular work. If you don't have enough, things just start to grind to a halt.
Our bodies are incredible recycling machines. And while we have a few ways of making NAD+, the main production line is something called the salvage pathway. This recycling system is an absolute workhorse, accounting for a massive 85% of our entire NAD+ supply. So yeah, it's pretty critical for keeping those cellular engines humming.
And right here, this is the bottleneck. The key enzyme that acts as the foreman of this whole recycling plant is called NAMPT. And as we get older, it just gets less efficient. By the time we hit our middle years, that slowdown has a very real impact, and our overall NAD+ levels begin to drop.
And the fallout from this drop? Well, it's all the stuff many of us just shrug off as getting older. That feeling of your energy tanking, your mitochondria are struggling, feeling like workouts are tougher and recovery takes forever, that's your DNA repair slowing down. Even your sleep gets all out of whack. And this is precisely why restoring NAD+ isn't about just trying a supplement. It's a form of targeted precision therapy.
Okay, so we get the problem. But how does putting NAD+ back into the system actually fix anything? Let's zoom in and take a look at the cellular machinery that gets fired up.
It really comes down to three massive jobs. First, NAD+ activates a group of proteins called sirtuins. You can think of them as the general managers for your cell's overall health. Second, it fuels the PARP enzymes, which are basically your on-call DNA repair crew. And third, it's the direct fuel for your mitochondria to crank out ATP, which is the energy your body runs on. And if we geek out just a little bit more, when NAD+ activates those sirtuin managers, it sets off this incredible chain reaction. They start sending out signals to other key players, molecules you might hear called AMPK and PGC1-alpha.
And what do those signals do?
They're basically shouting an order to the cell: build more power plants. This command triggers the creation of brand new mitochondria and cranks up our metabolic efficiency. It is a beautifully designed system for cellular renewal.
And that right there is the key. You have to get this. With NAD+ therapy, you're not just patching one little leak in the system. You are restoring the fundamental currency, the very thing that almost every single critical system in your body needs to function at its peak.
Okay, so the science is fantastic, but it all leads to the one big question. What does this whole restoration process actually feel like? So let's walk through a typical timeline. And it's really important to get this. This is a gradual foundational repair job. It is not an overnight energy jolt.
We see it unfold in about 3 phases. The first few weeks, that's what we call the opening. We're really just refilling the tank. You might start noticing these subtle but welcome shifts, like your thinking getting a bit sharper.
Right. Then you move into the momentum phase, around weeks 4 to 8. This is when that sirtuin chain reaction really starts firing on all cylinders. And that's often when people report things like better sleep and a more consistent, sustained energy throughout the day.
And then, from about week 9 onward, you hit the crescendo. This is where all that deep cellular optimization really pays off, building genuine, measurable resilience from the inside out.
So how do we actually get this powerful molecule into your body so it can get to work? This is where that precision delivery comes in, and the method we use is a clinical decision your provider makes to make sure you get the absolute best outcome possible.
Okay, so there are two main ways we do this. First up, we have subcutaneous injections. These are usually done once a week, and they let a provider dial in the dosage with incredible precision for maximum effect. The other method is buccal strips. These are pretty cool. They just dissolve right inside your cheek. They're totally needle-free, you take them daily, and they're just fantastic for making it really easy to stick with the protocol. And the results we see with these buccal strips are seriously impressive. The clinical data shows that using them every day can boost your NAD+ levels by almost 60% in just 2 weeks, and that number climbs to over 75% by the 6-week mark. It's a really powerful and, let's be honest, super convenient way to restock those cellular resources.
Now, here is the secret weapon for both the injections and the buccal strips. They deliver NAD+ directly into your bloodstream. This means they completely bypass the harsh environment of your digestive system and your liver. That is the critical difference, because oral supplements often get destroyed before they can do any good. This direct route makes sure the molecule arrives at your cells intact and ready to get to work.
Okay, this brings us to our last point, and it's probably the most important piece of this entire conversation. Why having a professional guide you is non-negotiable for getting real results. It's all about precision versus guesswork.
You really have to get this mindset shift. NAD+ is nothing like caffeine. It's not a stimulant that just gives you an artificial temporary buzz. This is a foundational therapy. What you are doing is giving your cells the raw materials they need to restore their own natural ability to make energy and fix themselves.
And that's exactly where the Zvia approach makes all the difference. Think of your provider as the conductor of your own cellular orchestra. We don't just hand you a vial and hope for the best. We carefully orchestrate your NAD+ therapy so it fits perfectly within your complete, personalized plan. Your progress is monitored, the dose is precise, and the entire protocol is built around you.
So if you're ready to stop guessing and start being precise about your long-term health, and if you're curious about what restoring your cellular energy can really do for you, we invite you to schedule a consultation. You can find us online at Zvia.com, that's zvia.com, or just give us a call at the number on your screen.
Thank you so much for joining us today. And just as a final reminder, all of this information is for educational purposes. Any personalized protocol always requires a thorough evaluation by a qualified provider to determine what is right for your unique health profile and your personal goals.